as the disciples were gazing up towards heaven, angels appeared unto them and said, This same Jesus, which is taken up from you into heaven, shall so come in like manner as you have seen him go into heaven. This is your daily devotional. Maranatha, the Lord is coming.
Maranatha, a daily devotional by Ellen G. White. Sound the note of alarm. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 6. In all our ways we should acknowledge God, and he will direct our paths. We should consult his word with humble hearts, ask his counsel, and give up our will to his. We can do nothing without God. There is the highest reason for us to prize the true Sabbath and stand in its defense, for it is the sign which distinguishes the people of God from the world. The commandment that the world makes void is the one to which, for this very reason, God's people will give greater honor. It is when the unbelieving cast contempt upon the word of God that the faithful Calebs are called for. It is then that they will stand firm at the post of duty, without parade and without swerving because of reproach. The unbelieving spies stood ready to destroy Caleb. He saw the stones in the hands of those who had brought a false report. But this did not deter him. He had a message and he would bear it. The same spirit will be manifested today by those who are true to God. The psalmist says, They have made void thy law. Therefore I love thy commandments above gold, yea, above fine gold. Psalms 119, verse 126 and 127. When men press close to the side of Jesus, when Christ is abiding in their hearts by faith, their love for the commandments of God grows stronger in proportion to the contempt which the world heaps upon his holy precepts. It is at this time that the true Sabbath must be brought before the people by both pen and voice. As the fourth commandment and those who observe it are ignored and despised, the faithful feel that it is the time not to hide their faith, but to exalt the law of Jehovah by unfurling the banner on which is inscribed the message of the third angel, the commandments of God, and the faith of Jesus. Let not those who have the truth as it is in Jesus give sanction, even by their silence, to the work of the mystery of iniquity. Let them never cease to sound the note of alarm. The truth must not be hid. It must not be denied or disguised, but fully avowed and boldly proclaimed.